Add tracking footage and text layer. Next, go to the track panel. Click the track motion. Motion source must be the tracking footage. Set the tracking point area. Only position tracking is required in this footage. Click the Analyze Forward button for analyze the track and creates the analysis track. Wait until tracking is completed. Next, create a null object. Click the Edit Target. Select the null object for applying tracking position. Next, click the Apply button to apply the tracking. Select the text layer parent as null object. Next, create a shape layer. And select the null as parent of the shape layer. Tracking creates keyframes to the target layer.